Hello students, welcome to the class, and in today's class we are going to discuss solution of exercise 11.2. In first 6 questions we need to find the coordinates of focus, axis of the parabola, directrix and the length of letter septum. As in the previous video I have talked about four standard forms. Four standard forms, that is x square equal to 4ay, x square equal to minus 4ay, y square equal to 4ax and y square equal to minus 4ax. And we have talked about focus, axis of parabola, directrix and length of letter septum in all the four cases. Whenever a question of parabola will come, we'll compare it with any of the equation. Like in our question we have y square equal to 4ax. Now if I compare it with these four equations, to which equation we can compare? We can compare y square equal to 4ax with y square equal to 12x with y square equal to 4ax. So what we can get, that in place of 12 we have 4a. So 4a is equal to 12, a equal to 3. The first thing that we will be finding is the value of a. Now if we know the value of a, we can find all the things that is asked related to parabola. Like the first thing that is asked, that coordinates of focus. For this parabola, coordinates of focus is a comma 0. As a is 3, so it is 3 comma 0. Second thing is axis of parabola. Axis of parabola. In this case, the axis of parabola is x-axis. So we can write simply x-axis, or equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. The third thing is equation of directrix. Equation of directrix is x equal to minus a. What is a? A is 3, so we can say x equal to minus 3 or x plus 3 equal to 0. And the last thing is length of letter septum. Length of letter septum. The length of letter septum in all the four parabola is 4a. A is 3, so we can say 4 into 3, that is equal to 12 units. Right? So if you have any confusion in y sir a comma 0, y x-axis, you can watch the previous video in which I have explained as well as drawn the table of all the all the terms like focus, equation of axis and everything. One more thing, it is easy to remember. Like if I want to know, means I have equation y square equal to 12x. In every equation of parabola, one variable has highest power 2 and other variable is highest power 1. The variable which is having power 1 will help us to identify which axis it is lying. Power of x is 1, so we can say x-axis. Like equation of axis of parabola is x-axis. And if axis is x-axis, the focus will be lying in x coordinate, that is a comma 0. Right? Okay. The second question that we are having is x square equal to 6y. We'll compare it with x square equal to 4ay. You can say 4a is equal to 6 and a equal to 6 by 4, that is equal to 3 by 2. We got the value of a. Now the first thing is coordinates of focus. As the power of y is 1, the focus will be on y-axis. Remember this, 0 comma, or directly compare with the table, 0 comma 3 by 2. Second, axis of parabola. Axis is power of y is 1, so y-axis, x equal to 0. Third, axis of equation of directrix. Equation of directrix is y equal to minus a, and fourth is length of letter septum. Length of letter septum will be 4a, 4 into 3 by 2, that is 6 units. Now the third question is y square equal to minus 8x. As I always talk about 4 standard form, I will comparing it with y square equal to minus 4ax. Y square equal to minus 4ax, so I can say minus 4a equal to minus 8, a equal to 2. If a is 2, then focus is minus a comma 0, minus 2 comma 0. Axis of parabola, power of x is 1, so axis is x-axis, that is y equal to 0. And equation of directrix, as it is of minus sign, the axis will be positive. Focus is negative, axis will be positive. Focus is positive, axis will be negative. X equal to 2. Length of letter septum in all the 4 cases 4a, 4 into 2, that is 8 units. Now fourth question is x square equal to minus 16y. Always remember, whenever you are solving a question, always remember of 4 cases. Now if I talk about this case, we will compare with x square equal to minus 4ay. So I can say minus 4a equal to minus 16. So a will be equal to 4. Right? A is 4. Focus is 0 comma minus 8. Right? 0 comma minus 4. Axis of parabola, power of y is 1. So y axis, we can say x equal to 0. Equation of directrix is focus is negative, y equal to plus a, y equal to plus 4, and length of letter septum is 4a, 4 into 4, that is 60 units. Now fifth question we have y square equal to 10x. So I can compare it with y square equal to 4ax. So I can say 4a equal to 10, a equal to 10 by 4, that is 5 by 2. A is 5 by 2. So focus is a comma 0. You might be thinking that you are writing directly, as I have already told. Watch previous video, you will be able to know what is the coordinate of focus. It is a0, minus a0, 0a, 0 comma minus a, depending on the equation from which we can compare. Now a is 5 by 2, 5 by 2 comma 0. Axis of parabola, power of x is 1, so axis is x-axis, y equal to 0. Equation of directrix, is x equal to minus a, x equal to minus 5 by 2, or I can say 2x minus equal to minus 5, 2x plus 5 equal to 0. In any of the form, either by simplifying or directly this I can write. Length of letter septum, I have already written 4a, it is always 4a, 4 into 5 by 2, that is 10 units. So the last question of this video is x square equal to minus 9y. I will compare with x square equal to minus 4ay. So I can say minus 4a equal to minus 9, a equal to 9 by 4. A equal to 9 by 4. Now focus is 0 comma minus a, 0 comma minus 9 by 4. Axis of parabola, power of y is 1, so y axis, x equal to 0. Equation of directrix, I can say y equal to a, y equal to 9 by 4, and length of letter septum 4 into 4a, 4 into 9 by 4, that is 9 units. I hope all the questions are clear to all of you. These are very easy questions based on the formula table. Thank you so much for watching the video. If any problem in understanding the video, please watch the previous video. Thank you so much.